Hello guys, good evening everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Tonight we will discuss about the series Y. This is line 2, this is line 1, this is contactor, terminal 3, ang terminal 4 connect dito sa lamp, terminal 2. Ang terminal 5 nakaseries siya sa terminal 2. O ang lamp, terminal 5 naka join siya sa terminal 6. Ang terminal 6 lamp, ang iyang 3 nakaseries siya sa terminal 6. Then ang 6, ang another is terminal 3. Na-connect siya sa contactor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Then ang 5 naka line 3. Kaseries ng line 3. Then ito namang line 1, contactor 1, terminal 1, yan 2, nakakonect siya sa lamp terminal 1. Tapos ang lamp, yung another terminal is terminal 4, nakakonect siya series to terminal 1. Then another terminal sa lamp is terminal 4, naka-join siya, connect siya sa T5 and T6. Ang T5 natin, another terminal 2, nakaseries ang terminal 2 sa terminal 5, lamp, terminal 2 para sa ating contactor, line 2 natin. Then another connection guys, parallel Y. This is line 1, contactor, terminal 1, then ang terminal 2 nakakonect sa terminal 1 and terminal 1. Nakaseries siya. Then lamp, ang another terminal is terminal 4, another terminal 4, nakaseries siya. Then connect, joint, then ito namang line 2, contactor 3, contactor 4, ang contactor 4 naka terminal 2, nakaseries siya sa another terminal 2. Tapos ang lamp na another terminal 5, another terminal sa terminal 2 is T5. Then naka-series siya, then naka-join siya dito. Then ito naman naka-join siya sa T6. T6 naka-series. Then Y. Ang terminal, another terminal is terminal 3, another terminal is terminal 3, naka-series. Then ito naka-connect sa terminal 6 sa contactor. Then ang terminal 5 contactor for line 3. This is parallel Y. This is nakaparallel, pero Y connection. Then Bible verse of the day, Romans 8 verse 35. Who shall separate us from the love of Christ? Shall tribulation or distress, or persecution, or famine, or nakedness, or peril, or sword? Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated ka sa next videos na akong i-upload. Thank you for watching guys, and God bless. To God be all the glory.